Welcome to Art Culinaires, where flavor meets creativity and every dish tells a story. Whether you're a food enthusiast, an aspiring chef, or simply someone who loves to feast with their eyes, you're in the right place. Here, we explore the artistry behind the plate, uncovering the secrets of stunning presentations, innovative techniques. Subscribe, join the adventure, and follow the food stories. New episodes will be released every week. Episode 1: Brisket Pho with Habanero Chimichurri. The heart of pho lies in its broth, a labor of love that simmers for hours, sometimes even overnight. Pho is rich, savory, and deeply comforting, thanks to its aromatic broth and tender meat. Habanero peppers are among the hottest chili peppers in the world, but there's more to them than just their fiery heat. Originating from the Amazon region and later cultivated in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, habaneros have a rich history dating back thousands of years. Pickled shallots and carrots, known as jo chua in Vietnamese, add a refreshing contrast with their tangy, slightly sweet and acidic flavor. Brisket. Each bite is tender, almost buttery, with a hint of smokiness from the spices in the broth. As the piping hot broth is poured over it, the tenderloin cooks instantly, turning from a vibrant pink to a perfect medium rare. Subscribe, join the adventure, and follow the food stories. New episodes will be released every week. Thank you for watching.